Okay, how about last homework?
Madam,
How about last homework?
not
Is
easy, not
easy
so much hard.
or a little hard?
Madam,
But but it's little
not
bit
easy,
challenging.
not so much hard.
Not easy, but
Specifically
not so much hard.
when we add
But it's little
uh,
bit challenging.
tune marks, sign tune marks.
Mm.
Specifically, when we add uh, tune marks, sign tune marks.
Oh, okay. Abdul thinks not easy, but not very hard. And quite a little bit hard. 差不多 right? 沙海德差不多instead of 差不多多差不多 just so so 差不多 How about others? A bit complicated. Hard in tone marks. Last time about homework, nobody got A plus. Nobody got A plus in our group, right? Saha forgot to put top marks. Doesn't matter. You can modify your homework and submit again. Homework's a bit difficult. A lot of students think have something trouble in homeworks, right? So today we explain our last time homework first and then do some exercise about tone marks and others. Okay, we start. Let's see the pronunciation part 1 first. About the part 1, listen to the recording and make the dissyllabic words you hear.
Yes, madam.
This part is better, right? And let's see.
Yes, madam.
Let's see the right answer. 一 We should choose 食堂 What's the meaning of 食堂?
Time.
Please tell me in our chat box. What's the meaning of 食堂?
Time.
Oh, kitchen. Yes, 刷牙杯 and Abdul, yeah, right. Canteen, canteen, 食堂. Kitchen in Chinese, 厨房 instead of 食堂 canteen, 好实验 right. Very good. And R, 长长. The right answer is 长. Ahmed, you're writing. I think that is your issue because others can hear my voice. Can you check your mic or your internet? Check your network. 常常 means
Madam,
often.
Changchang means
Often.
Great
常常
Wall.
often.
Madam,
Changchang
Changchang
means
mean
Great Wall.
Great Wall.
What?
Changchang mean Great Wall.
Often 常常 means often.
Okay,
我
okay,
常
madam.
常做某事 I often do something often 常常 means often.
Okay, okay, madam.
三年轻年轻年轻 means young young. 四明
Every
年
year,
明年
next year.
明年 means next year next year
Next year.
next year. And how about tomorrow? How to say in Chinese tomorrow?
Jyotiyan.
Tomorrow 明天明天 Yes, Sharani and Atia,
Next day,
right.
Indian.
Shaha, right. 明天
Next day, 明天.
tomorrow, next day, 明天明天好，誓言 very good. 明天五合适合适合适 it means suitable suitable. 六门口门口门 means door 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 and 门口门口门口 doorway doorway 门口。Next one 七而且 means and that and that and that. The last one 八全面全面全面全面 means total total or overall total or overall 全面。Okay, this part is about make the dissyllabic words you hear. Choose the word you heard. This part is better, and then let's see the part 2. Part 2 is about listen to the recording and add the tone marks to the following word. Tone marks, right? And some people think it's a little hard. Let's say it together. Number 9九房门房门房门。Everybody, you can use the number. You can use the number to tell me the tone, which tone 房门 which tone? 房门，房门，房门，two syllables two syllables， 房门 two syllables。So please tell me two numbers。房门
Number 9.
for second， for second， 房sorry。房门，房门，好实验 ，very good two 二。Next one， 房间，房间，房间。Saha very good。Santosh very good。韩愈非常棒。郝诗妍 good。房间房间房间。十 the first one in 10。十皮鞋，皮鞋。韩语 right。皮鞋。Atia right。Santosh right。Sharani right。Muhammad Umrani right。Saha right。郝诗妍 right。Yes。皮鞋。皮鞋 ，next one 啤酒，啤酒。Saha 韩愈very good。Oma OK very good。啤酒，郝诗妍 very good。啤酒Sharani good。Muhammad Umrani good。啤酒 second and third 酒，啤酒。Okay, everybody, let's do the first line. Let's do the first line. How to mark the tones? Firstly, we should find the finals. We should find the finals because the tone marks only about finals. For example, the first 房门房。The final is on 房门房on and 门门。Firstly, please find the finals and then let's see 房on. We can see which letter make our mouth have the change. We should put the tongue in it. For example, on is consist of and so we should choose to put the tongue in the . Meanwhile, n consists of and n and n consist of n. So we should put the tongue marks in the in the . 房间间烟烟烟。皮 and 鞋。Before we learn the finals according to the order, 啊、喔、一、乌、ü. Can you remember the order? 啊、喔、一、乌 and ü. I use the V place ü because I cannot type ü in this system. 啊、喔、一、乌、ü. So please remember this order. We put the tone marks according to the order. For example, such as ao, because a is before wo, is before wo according to this order. A is before o, so we should put the tone on the a. And then another example, o, according to the order, wo is before u, so we put the tone marks on the wo. This is a general order and a general rule, but sometimes we have some special. Soon I will tell you. And everybody, I emphasize many times about e. When we put the tone marks, please cover the dot. When we put the tone marks, please cover the dot. Let's go on. 11. 11. Please tell me the tone marks in our chat box, or you can raise your up and turn on your mic to answer me. 时候 We can use zero. 零 We can use zero to see the neutral tone. Yes, Santosh, that are the special. Those are the special one. I will explain soon. 时候 we one by one. 时候后 is the neutral tone. So just 时 the second tone 时. Please use the tone marks cover the dot about e. Next one 时间 very good. Boma, so good. 时间 How about others? Saha. Very good. Muhammad Imaradin. 时间 Achila. 好誓言。时间 Next one. 回家 Oma Atia. 好誓言 Achila Sharani. 回家回 家。Next one， 回国，回国。double second，double second。回国。Next one， 13，结婚，结婚，结婚。Very good。结婚。Next one， 结束，结束。Very good。24啊 ，second and fourth。结束。14，离开，离开。离开啊，21 second and first 离开。Next one， 一次，一次，一次。Yes, second and fourth. Okay, everybody, now let's do the review about E. About E. What's the meaning of E? What's the meaning of E?
Cloth, madam. Cloth.
Yes.
Cloth, madam. Cloth.
E just means one. One just means one. And the pronunciation of E, there are some rules about E. When E just used as the number, such as E, 1, 11, 1, 11, 21, 21st, or DE means number 1. If the E used as the number or percent, for example, percent 1, 1%, we all use the original tone. Is that the first tone? E, E, E. If the E get together with the third tone, we can change E from the first tone into third tone. For example, from the first tone to the fourth tone, For example, 一起，一起，一起。If the following syllable use the third tone, E will change the first tone into fourth tone. 一起，一起。And this one, if the following syllable use the fourth tone, we will change the E from the first tone to the second tone. These are rules about E. Okay, next one. 情绪，情绪，情 形式。Very good. 情绪。Next one. 成功。成功。Very good. Attila, Boma, Sharani, 沙海德，郝诗言。Wasim, very good. 成功。决定。决定16 number 16 决定very good 决定决定 The last one 浏览浏览浏览very good 浏览Okay, everybody, please pay attention to 刘 Before Santosh mentioned 刘 How to mark tones about 刘 Before, when we learned you, I have already told everybody. Liu actually is you Liu. But this form help us to remember it. When we write down, we should choose the former form. We should choose the former form, but actually it is the later form. So this one, when we write down the tone marks, it should in the later letter. You. This one is special. This one is special. Please remember it. Please remember it. This one is special. You. 韩语 Just this one. What a pity. So remember it is very important. This one is very special. Okay, everybody. About the tone marks. First one, please remember the position where to put the tone marks. Please remember the position. It's very important. In the text, even you know which tone, but you put them in the wrong position, it's wrong too. You cannot get the grades. So please remember the 好誓言 also. Please remember the position. And then please remember the special one. Please remember the special one. And very, very important about E, I, A, Ying, Yin. These vowels, if you mark the tone, please cover the dot. Must, please cover the dot. Okay, let's go on to the page 2. Page 2. First one, 语言 It means language. language 语言。2. 广播广播广播啊，2广播。广播 means radio 啊 radio。3. 水平水平水平水平 means level 啊水平。4. 有名有名 it means famous 啊 famous it means famous 有名。5. 打扫打扫打扫 it means clean or sweep or clean。Santosh very good。6. 很好。6 喜好喜好喜好 hobby 喜好。7. 考试考试考试 it means test or exam 考试。8. 允许允许允许 it means allow 允许 it means allow 啊 allow。From your homework, please pay attention to number 2. Please pay attention to number 2. Number 1 also. Some people choose 语音语音but actually the answer is 语言语言语言。The former is 音 the later is 言They are not same, they are different. Former and later use the different finals in and on. Number 2, 广播first tone 广播second tone. This part use the different tones. And others are better. Others are better. Let's see the tone marks. 9 小心小心。Saha, Sharani, Isman, Attila, very good. 小心小心Next one, 小明小明小明 Yes, Saha, Mama, very good. 小明小小 the third tone. And 明 more in 明 go upper, the tone is go upper. 明 second tone. 十总是总是 Oh, until now, I didn't see the right answer. 总是 How about others? 总是总是I didn't see the right answer. How about others? 总是 very good Muhammad Usman, very good. Just one right answer Let's see together. 总 the third tone 总 third tone is easy. Oh sorry, I see the sorry. I'm wrong. I see the different number. This one is 总之sorry. This one is 总之 yes, 总之总之 very good third and first 总之总之 Okay, next one. 准时 very good. 准时11举行12 sorry 11 the later one 旅行旅行旅行 Okay, everybody, let's see together. 旅 We use V to place 旅行 When you get together with le and ne, the two dots in the yu cannot be covered. When you get together with le and ne, two dots in yu cannot be covered. This rule is very important. Please remember it. When you get together with other, initials, the two dots can be covered. OK, 12，小时，小时。小时。Next， 手指，手指，手指。手指。13，选择，选择。Very good. 选择。Next one， 洗澡，洗澡。洗澡。Okay, next one， 14，跑步，跑步。跑步啊。Next one， 总是，哈哈，总是，总是，总是。OK， 15，也许，也许。也许。Next one， 感冒，感冒啊 ，very good， 感冒。16，比较，比较。very good， 比较。The last one， 比赛，比赛，比赛。Okay, very good. Everybody, please say 手指，洗澡，也许。These three words all use the double third tone, right? Before we learned, when we meet double third tone, we should change the first one from the third tone to the second tone, right? But these rules just used in the pronunciation. When we write down, please use the original tone. That means when we write down them, we should use the double third tone. The changing rules just used in the pronunciation. That means when we give the pronunciation, 手指，手指，洗澡，也许。It hears like the second tone and the third tone, but actually when we write them, we should write the double third tone. Okay, is that this rules? And about the characters, part 1 and part 2 are very easy, right? So this is last homework. It's time to have a break.
Madam, can I ask
See you
a
10
question?
minutes later.
Madam, can I ask
Madam,
a question?
actually, in
Yes,
your
please.
voice, when you
Madam,
speak,
actually,
all
in
words we
your
easily
voice,
understand,
when you
and
speak,
tone
all
marks
words we
also
easily
understand. But
understand,
in
and
audio wise
tone
that you
marks
given us,
also understand. But in
uh,
audio wise
that
that you
point has
given us,
created a problem.
uh,
At that point,
that
we
point has
not
created a
understand
problem.
about
At that point, we not
in
understand about.
madam, in tone
Which part
marks
you cannot
19 to
understand?
916 are
Madam, in
in
tone
your
marks
voice when
9
you
to
speak, we
916
easily
are
understand which
in your
tone
voice when you speak.
are
We easily
uh,
understand which tone
often, and we
are
understand the tone mark.
uh,
But in audio
often,
voices,
and we understand the tone mark.
we can,
But in
we
audio
have a
voices,
problem.
we can, we have a problem.
Yeah, yes, I can understand your meaning
Yes,
because when I read them, I
Yes,
will put down the speed, right? But the audio or our recording, when
yes,
we
madam.
hear a little fast,
yes, madam.
yes, I know you mean. But when we
Yes.
have the text or the exam,
Oh,
we must
Yes.
follow the recording. So if that
Oh,
means maybe we must
oh,
practice more and more times. And
oh,
everybody, if you think the recording or audio is very, very fast, maybe you must play many times about them. Because when we have the
okay,
text, we
madam.
must follow the
Oh,
recording.
chichi,
okay,
chichi,
madam.
嗯，好
Okay.
的。
Chichi, chichi, madam.